Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to be sharing with you unboxing and first look of a revisited knife that I initially got in 2019 in the green Micarta version, which was only available back then. So it took a little bit of time. Now we have 2023 and we also have a brown Micarta version. So this is the Fox Knives Livri. This is a part of a deal exclusive by Knives and Tools. I will be linking the description in the description down below. If you are searching for this variant, there you can get it. So inside the box we have just a plain paper box, like most of Fox knives come, with the Italian sticker, and we have a leather slip pouch with Fox handmade in Spain, and with the Fox logo right there. And we have some information about the warranty and so on, and a small information pamphlet about Fox knives and Due Signi, or how to pronounce it. So all the money goes nicely into the product, like I prefer to have it. Knife comes in a really nice canvas bag, also marked with the Fox logo, and here's the knife itself. So finally I can have this one in my collection. I did sold my previous ones back in the days when I got it, just because I didn't like the green micarta that was used on them. But since then they also released a almost ivory tan looking like burlap micarta, but that was also not the right one. But this one finally it is. It's a really nice high quality brown canvas micarta, but let me give you the specification. So the model number is KA-273 MCB for the brown micarta, and we have a overall length of 15.5 centimeters, that is 6.1 inch. The blade is 7 centimeters or 2.7 inches. The handle are 8.5 centimeters, 3.3 inches. The blade thickness is 2.3 millimeters or 0.09 inches, and handle thickness is 1 centimeter or 0.4 inches. The weight comes at 39.7 grams or 1.4 ounces. Originally, Fox Knives did release two models in this series. One was called Livri, the second one was called Libar. Livri is this really nice satin sheep's foot blade profile, and the Libar had a nice clip point. As far as these knives and tools exclusive goes, they have two options: one with the satin blade and second one with a black coated blade. There is no Libar currently available, so only Livri. But you can choose if you like to have a black blade or satin one. The blade is made out of M390. We have nice canvas, natural canvas micarta scales. The construction is pinned with stainless steel linear tube, and the pivot, as you can see, is adjustable with the torque screw right there. We also have a half stop and a really nice positive closure snap. Back spring is obviously stainless steel, and the knife is made in Italy. The price is 79.95 euros. That translates to around 87 US dollars. So if you like one, you can check them out and order one. I know how long will they be available. Knives and Tools do offer lots of different exclusives, and I must say I'm really happy that they do collaborate with these makers and bring out also brown micarta versions of the knives, because mostly US based dealers or distributors are getting these exclusive ones with the brown micarta. So I'm really happy that Knives and Tools, since they are a European based distributor dealer, I'm really happy to have them here, that I can order knives from them and not go through the hassle to order abroad and pay huge amounts of money on customs fees and extra taxes and so on. Okay, so if you don't like the brown micarta, they are still the model is made with different kinds of wood, and there is also a carbon fiber version of it. Now let me show you the sharpness out of the box. So really nice and sharp. You have a almost full fat ground blade with a nice top jimping for added stability. Okay, as far as size comparisons goes, I brought out a few of my micarta knives. So let's start with some real steel knives. I have here the this is the Luna Premium. Looks similar, but no, they are different micarta variants. Then I have here the Knife and Tools also exclusive. This is the Stella. Also a SlipJoint. A little bit larger. Then I have here the Range Buster from Burger Plus. So if you don't have so much money to spend on an Italian made knife, then Burger Plus does offer you a really nice Saltbuster Junior styled version with polished canvas micarta scales, and this is a Saltbuster Junior from Case. Then I have here also another budget option, highly recommended. This is the small work knife from Rough Rider, from their Tater Tart micarta brown micarta series. From Concept I have here the Swan Wedge. There is also a non-locking version which is called Bevy. I don't know if that is available in this micarta. Then for size comparisons, here is also a Barlow from Rough Rider from the RRR series. Then I have here the Viper Hug, which is his cousin from Italy, a little bit larger, still high quality. From Burger Plus, I have here the Koteka. and also the Tech Tool one, which is offered in this nice, almost red or burgundy micarta. Okay, here is the peanut from Rough Rider, Texas toothpick, case tribal lock, let's continue with red model 2, Spyderco Dragonfly, Bug Vintage Select Small, Kaiser Pinch with the OG China Carta, one of the first production micarta knives that Kaiser did back in the days. Here is also the Kaiser Bergleiter 2. Blade Edge exclusive Pillar 1 with micarta. It's a CVV rustic gent, and this is similar to the previous version, previous micarta version that Fox Knives did use on the previous variant of the Livri and also the Libar. Okay, here is the CVV Elementum, small feldspar from CGRB, small grip tiller from Benchmade, let's see, here is the QSP Penguin, and let's close it down with the K-bar dorsal small folder with also the larger one. So overall, yes, I must say it is a little bit on the expensive side for around 90 euros. Sorry, $90, but for me definitely well worth the money for my collection. But still, these are available in different variants. Just check with your favorite dealer. If you don't care about the brown micarta one, then feel free to check it out. This is definitely a really nice, very functional small slip joint. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.